Now come to example 2. Find each of the following products. Say first one, it is minus 18 into minus 10 into 9. So say the solution. First part, minus 18 into minus 10 into 9. Let us multiply minus 18 and minus 10 first. Write it in big bracket. Minus 18 into minus 10 within the big bracket into 9. Here minus minus plus 18 into 10, 180 into 9. And if you multiply 180 into 9, you will get 1620. This is your answer. Now come to second part. It is minus 20 into minus 2 into minus 5 into 7. Here see the solution of second part. It is minus 20 into minus 2 into minus 5 into 7. So let us multiply last three terms together. Here we have multiplied negative two terms together. It can be written as minus 20 into minus 2 into minus 5 into 7. Here minus 20 into here minus 2 into minus 5, it is minus 10. So minus 20 into 10 into 7. And if you multiply this, the 20 into 10, it is 200. Minus 200 into 7, it is minus 1400. This is your answer. Now, third part, it is minus 1 into minus 5 into minus 4 into minus 6. So see the solution. Third part, minus 1 into minus 5 into minus 4 into minus 6. Here we have multiplied minus 1 and minus 5 together and minus 4 minus 6 together. So minus 1 into minus 5, it is minus minus plus 1 into 5, it is 5 into, here see the second bracket, minus 4 into minus 6, minus minus, it is plus 4 6 ja 24, and then multiply 5 into 24, you will get 120. This is your answer. Now come to example 3. Verify minus 30 into big bracket 13 plus minus 3. Here, if you open the big bracket, it can be written as within the big bracket minus 30 into 13, big bracket close, plus minus 30 into minus 3. See the solution. See left hand side. It is minus 30 into within the big bracket 13 into minus 3. Solve this, you will get minus 30 into 13 plus minus 3. If you open the bracket, it will be plus minus minus 3. That is 13 minus 3, you will get 10. Now multiply it with minus 30. Minus 30 into 10, it will be minus 300. Now take right hand side, it is within the big bracket minus 30 into 13 plus minus 30 into minus 3. Here open the first big bracket, it is minus 30 into 13. You will get minus 13 3 ja 39. It is minus 390 plus in the second bracket minus 30 into minus 3. Minus minus plus 30 into 3, it is 90. And if you add it, you will get minus 300. So what we conclude that left hand side it is equivalent to right hand side. So we can say that minus 30 into within the big bracket 13 into minus 3, it is equivalent to, within big bracket, minus 30 into 13 plus within the big bracket minus 30 into minus 3. Now come to example 4. In a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Now first part, Gurpreet attempts all questions but only 9 of her answers are correct. What is her total score? Now second part, one of her friend gets only 5 answers correct. What will be her score? See the solution. First part, marks given for one correct answer, it is 4. So marks given for 9 correct answers, it will be 4 into 9. 4 into 9, that is 36. Now marks given for incorrect answer, it is minus 2. So marks given for 6, how will you get 6? 15 minus 9, because 15 total questions are 15 and 9 questions were correct. How many questions were incorrect? 15 minus 9, that is 6. We have to find out marks given for 6 incorrect answers. It will be minus 2 into 6, that is minus 12. Therefore, Gurpreet's total score will be 36 plus minus 12. What will you get? If you open this bracket, plus minus minus, you will get 36 minus 12. 36 minus 12. And if you subtract 12 from 36, you will get 24. The Gurpreet total score is 24. This is your answer. Now second part. Marks given for one correct answer equal to 4. So marks given for 5 correct answers equal to 4 into 5, that is 20. Now marks given for one incorrect answer, it is minus 2. So marks given for 10 incorrect answers. How will you get 10? Total questions were 15 and 5 questions were correct. Therefore incorrect questions will be 15 minus 5, that is 10. The marks given for 10 incorrect answers will be minus 2 into 10, that is minus 20. Therefore, her friend's total score equal to 20 plus minus 20. If you open the bracket, it will be plus minus minus. It will be 20 minus 20, that is 0. This is your answer. Now come to example 5. Suppose we represent the distance above the ground by a positive integer and that below the ground by a negative integer. Then answer the following. First part. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 5 meters per minute. What will be its position after 1 hour? See the solution. First part. Since the elevator is going down, so the distance covered by it will represented by a negative integer. The change in position of the elevator in 1 minute equal to minus 5 meter. Position of the elevator after 60 minutes equal to minus 5 into 60, that is minus 300 meter, that is 300 meter below ground level. Now second part. If it begins to decrease from 15 meter above the ground, what will be its position after 45 minutes? See the solution of second part. Change in position of the elevator in 45 minutes equal to minus 5 into 45, that is minus 225 meter, that is 225 meter below ground level. So the final position of the elevator equal to minus 225 plus 15 equal to minus 210 meter. So 210 meter below ground level. This is your answer.